Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will learn how to determine the number of pixels in an image using Python. We will use the popular Python library, Pillow, PIL, to open and analyze the image. Pillow provides a simple and efficient way to work with images in various formats. If you haven't already installed Pillow, you can do so using pip. Once you have Pillow installed, you can proceed with the following steps. We import the image module from the Pillow library, which will allow us to open and manipulate images. You will need to have an image file that you want to analyze. Make sure it's in the same directory as your Python script or provide the full path to the image file. Replace your _image.jpg with the path to your image file. You can use various image formats such as JPEG, PNG, or BMP. To determine the number of pixels in the image, we need to get its dimensions, which are represented as width, height. Now, width and height variables contain the dimensions of the image in pixels. The total number of pixels in the image can be calculated by multiplying its width and height. Now, total_pixels will hold the total number of pixels in the image. You can print the result to see how many pixels the image contains. Here's the complete Python code to read the number of pixels in an image. Make sure to replace your _image.jpg with the path to your image file. This script will open the image, calculate the number of pixels, and display the result. That's it. You've successfully determined the number of pixels in an image using Python and the Pillow library. ChatGPT.